Hi, today I want to give you a short review on this pressure washer hose from Ryobi. I bought it in Home Depot because I needed additional 25 feet for the purpose of cleaning my roof. So this hose is standard quarter inch connection, and it comes with this M22 hose connector. So I already put it on one side, so all you have to do is just connect another hose, and I'm gonna have 50 feet of length of this pressure washer hose, so I don't have to move my pressure washing machine on and off. I'm gonna have more distance. The question that probably everybody's asking right now: how is the pressure gonna be when I add another 25 feet? So we'll find it out in a minute. Also, I didn't want to buy 50 feet together with this Ryobi because it came actually with 25, and this is perfect distance that I need to work on any project around the house. 50 is only needed for me if I wanted to get up on top of the roof and I want the machine to be right on the floor. Before, with the 25 feet distance, I had to move my machine on top of the roof, put it somewhere, so it was a little bit hassle. So this time I decided to just get extra 25, put it on, and right now I'm gonna test if the pressure is not gonna be lower because of the distance. Okay, so this is my original Ryobi hose that came with this pressure washer, and this is the extension that I just bought. Right off the bat I can see the difference then. So this one, which is the one that I just bought, is a little bit thicker on the outside, which probably makes it a little bit more durable. This one feels kind of thinner. It's been working fine for the past 3 years, and I have no problem with it. I don't know why this one is a little bit thicker, but I guess that's good. So I'm gonna connect both hoses together, and I'm gonna see if the additional 25 feet is not going to affect the pressure. Alrighty, so both hoses are connected to. Now we have 2 times 25 feet. Well, it seems that we have enough pressure, and already in my hand it feels like I have exactly the same pressure. Wow, that's good. Alrighty, so it feels like I have exactly the same pressure. So the 25 feet times 2 really does not affect pressure. That's not scientific observation of mine. So far I like it. I'm gonna go and clean my roof. So that would be the end of my review of this Ryobi hose that I bought from Home Depot. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.